your boy Vader full-time with the illegal rig in the back, man. Now look, today I am bringing y'all a very special video, man. Now look, as y'all can probably tell by the thumbnail and title, bro, the Highway Patrol don't like the rig, dog. They can't stand the rig, man. Let me be careful I don't pump too much gas here, because you do know we pump it at 93, boy, you know what I'm saying? Big rig eating good over here. But basically, you guys can tell by the title and thumbnail, your boy got compromised with the illegal rig, man. So let me just go ahead and put this up. You know what I'm saying? Good fill-ups, good quick little, but yeah, man, we hop in the whip and explain to you guys what we got going on, man. Look at the drip, though. Good feet. All right, no receipt, FBI. But basically, man, guys, I got compromised by Highway Patrol, boys. Nah, for real, look at this. Oh, I almost ripped it. Dude, I got ticketed, man. Literally ticketed for the window tint and for the squat. Now let me show you guys something real quick. So with this, they ticketed me because, so you guys see the toot, right? So the squat is 4 inches, the law, right? So here I am, it's a 6-inch difference, and I got stopped by a Highway Patrol. So he hopped out, measured it, literally ticketed me on the spot, as well as for the tint. So he didn't even measure me for the tint, he just asked me what it was, you know, I just told him it was 5%. Got that thing done right there on the spot. So what's gonna happen now, guys, is I'm just gonna take care of the ticket and move on with it, you know? Just pay for it, that's what the money's for, you know what I'm saying? But nah, guys, it's gonna get taken care of, and then we're gonna be sliding just like this, you know what I'm saying? Just how we're sliding every day, man. So yeah, let's go ahead and move on to the next thing, which is getting ready for Myrtle Beach week part 2. I am finally gonna get this thing, this space put to use. Got my speaker wire here. You guys already know it's gonna go back here. Waiting on that bad boy to come in, and then we're gonna be good to go for Myrtle Beach. As well as I got a few small things we're gonna touch up. You guys are gonna see when I replace the blower motor. I might go ahead and put some rock lights on it before we slide on the Myrtle. We'll see, but as of right now, we got everything all ready, and she's good to go, man. Looking all clean, fire. We're gonna obviously give her one last wipe down before we slide to Myrtle, but yeah, man, how does it feel to have been ticketed and now be an outlaw of the squat, man? Your boy is a squat outlaw now. Look at this. They really hating on this thing. I can't believe that. Like, boy, it's literally just a squatted rig. Come on. Come on, man. You can't lie, though. You can't lie, though. It is hard. They hating on it because it's hard. Nah, you know. Letting that 5.3E.
Swing, diamonds blank, hold up. Pistol swing, gang bang, hold up. Niggas acting like groupies, they don't know what. Little do they know they bitches fucking on the tour bus. Young savage, why you trapping so hard? Why you nigga capping so hard? Why you got a 12-car garage? Why you pulling?
Yo, YouTube, so y'all know I had the Mustang on the channel for a long time now, man. It's been like 4 months, and I gotta tell you guys about the progress I've made to it. So yeah, we got the motor broken down. It's ready for the machine shop. I haven't sent it off yet because we're still figuring out what I'm gonna do to it completely before I get it sent off there. And yeah, we're gonna literally start working on getting the Mustang to a roller very soon. That's probably gonna be my next plan on the channel, to be honest, because while the motor's being shipped off to the machine shop and whatnot, you're gonna need to have some work done in the background so that we're not just wasting time, obviously. You know what I'm saying? I like to be efficient, not work behind myself. So that being said, we're gonna start getting the Mustang set up as a roller. You guys are gonna be seeing videos of that soon, very soon. We're gonna get a tire set up, you know, swap over my whole K-member, all of the good things for that LS swap, you guys understand. And it's gonna be sick, so you guys are gonna be following me along the whole way, man. So yeah. So we get back in here. Okay, this is on strobe mode. Don't need that. We're gonna push this tab down and twist it counterclockwise, and it should fall out. Okay, yep, just like that. Shimmy it out of there. There's the blower motor, guys. about to put the new one in, compare them really quick, and make sure we're all good to go. Let's check it out. 2 blower motors, and we're just gonna replace the old one with this new one. Everything looks the same, so I feel like we're good on that. So we just gotta stick it in. This one is very dirty, as you guys can see. Sheesh. All right, so what I'm gonna do is plug this up and then test it. Okay. Never mind. Won't be testing nothing. That is very corroded. I'm gonna see what I can do about that really quick. Maybe nothing, maybe something. So this right here is turned to a 2-day project. I have to order another part right quick. Just got it ordered up because, as you guys can see. So yeah, new part on the way. What is good, YouTube? It is the second day, man. Here we are with the blower motor replacement, man. We got the replacement cable in right here, and we're about to just replace this boy because this is toast, man. Can't reuse that on the new motor. You know, it's gonna just do the same thing. So here we are, about to replace it. The sun is right here on us, so let's go ahead and get this done quick. Turned. We're gonna go ahead and slap this in. Make sure that. All right, that went right in there. And test the motor here. All right, and now to put the motor in, you have this tab here. You put it on the where the tab is, on the little section cut out for it, and then you rotate it clockwise, which is the opposite of how you take it out, and you should be good. So you fish it up into the housing there. There you go. Just like that. Hear that lock? It should be in. Now I'm gonna just turn this on, make sure it blows. Oh yeah, it's blowing. I feel it. Perfectly fine. It's spinning. Yep, we're good to go, boys. Oh yeah. We're gonna have AC, baby. That was quick and easy little placement. So here's the old stuff right here. Oh yeah. Time to tidy all this back up and bolt it up. So, let's do that right quick. I'll be back.